Hey guys, Kyle with Cross Creek Ag Solutions. Typically when you hear from me, it's about product highlights, product education, setting down building custom programs for you. Today's a little bit different spin on things. You're going to get a behind the scenes look at what's going on in the warehouse and really what we've been doing behind the scenes for the past couple days. We've had a couple inches of rain over the past couple days, more rain to come. So we've all taken advantage of that and are really working hard to get orders built, get custom blends mixed up, and get things out. So we're standing here today in the warehouse at our main office. This is one of 3 warehouses that we utilize at Cross Creek. So we've got the one here. We have one to the north, which typically warehouses most of the seed for our northern customers. And then we've got our Southeast Missouri warehouse, which Sam's in control of down there. As you can see, we're full up right now. Typically, we will flip this warehouse 5 to 6 times throughout the year. Right now we're extremely full, but we are working on getting things out the door. The area we stand in right here now is kind of the main staging area for the dock. The dock is over this direction. You guys know that we love doing things differently. We love working outside the box, creating custom blends for everyone. This whole particular row right here is for a large organic grower, Northern Indiana. We took advantage of some nice weather yesterday, got the dike fired up, made some custom blends of a mixed bag that's going out to some local customers. This whole line, I believe, is getting ready to get shipped down to Missouri. And then we've got a whole line going to Iowa, and beyond that, some stuff going to Illinois. As you guys know, we cover a wide geography. We service a lot of people from organic to conventional to more specialty crops. All right, as we continue our way through the behind the scenes warehouse tour, we've moved from the staging, the docking area to more of the northern end of the warehouse. This is where bulk boxes, bulk totes, everything gets stored for those products that we don't have to ship out of state or blend together. Kind of standing in front of a line of Scavenger here. So you guys have heard us talk about Scavenger. It is a new exclusive product to us here at Cross Creek, designed primarily for in-furrow 2x2 side dress applications in corn. You guys can see we've got quite a bit of it in stock. We've had really good interest in it. What we've seen through testing has been very, very promising. Really excited to get this out in your guys' hands this year so you can see what it's all about. Typical to Brad and I, we've already started tweaking the configurations and playing with it. So, Scavenger 1.0, Scavenger Original is going to be geared more towards corn. We've already found some new ingredients to put into it that's going to make a Scavenger soybean exclusive lineup, as well as, if you remember, I talked about that organic order going out. We've also been able to tweak the configuration to allow it to be used on organic acres. So, right now we're sticking with what we've got as the original Scavenger, but a lot more to come.